Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log into your HODL application. So let's dive into the video right away. Launch Open HODL application from your app drawer and from the main homepage. Tap on the human icon at the lower right. Now from the Accounts tab, tap on Account on the right and then select one of the sign-in methods from the list. You will need to choose the same option that you chose while signing up for HODL. Since I signed up using email, I'm gonna have to choose the same option over here as well. Simply tap on the login button and then in the login area, go ahead and enter your email or username in the first text box. Make sure to enter the credentials that is correct and associated with your account. Once you are done, on the next field, type in your password associated with your account as well. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the prompts. Once you are done typing in the correct credentials, tap login and you will be logged into your account. So that's how easily you can sign into HODL within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.